Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix a broken flex pipe. Start by lifting the car safely and locating the damaged flex section, then clear debris and let the exhaust cool fully. Inspect the flex pipe for holes, cracks, and separated braid, and decide whether to patch or replace. I'll walk you through cutting the old section, fitting a new flex piece, clamping securely, and testing for leaks step by step. Begin removal by supporting the exhaust and letting the system cool completely. Safety first and be methodical. Use penetrating oil on seized bolts and remove clamps or hangers with a reciprocating saw or pipe cutter, taking care not to damage adjacent pipes. Work slowly to avoid dropping heavy sections and ask a helper to support long pieces if needed. Clean mating surfaces and measure the gap precisely before buying the replacement flex pipe. Fit the new flex pipe by sliding it into position and aligning with existing hangers to preserve exhaust geometry and minimize stress. Use high-temperature clamps or weld a sleeve depending on your skill and tools, and torque fasteners to manufacturer specs while checking for even compression. After securing the connection, start the engine and listen for leaks. Tighten clamps or re-weld as needed, and recheck alignment once the system warms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.